Animals commonly found living in coral reefs. Sea turtles, magnificent marine creatures, embody grace and resilience. With their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers, they navigate the ocean, spanning vast distances for nesting and feeding. Sea turtles play a vital role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems, balancing food webs, and contributing to beach ecosystem stability. Their survival is threatened by human activities, highlighting the need for conservation efforts to protect these ancient and captivating creatures for generations to come.